New bike, who dis? What's up, Jackrabbit Ragers? Jackrabbit XG fiends? Lovers of micro transport, micro PEV? What is up, guys? We are on a Jackrabbit XG, the newer updated version of the Jackrabbit OG. This version is 32 pounds, has a new structured BMX frame, a front brake, 2 batteries, and legit motocross pegs. All the things that were slightly wrong with the OG have now been fixed with the XG. And the dual batteries give it 20 plus miles of range. I've been riding this for a few days now, thanks to Emily over at Jackrabbit. Sent her an email, told her how interested I was in such a unique bike, and she sent me one out, and she sent me a free battery, which comes in a nice little battery purse, and a free hat that I'm wearing. And guys, let me tell you, I don't look ridiculous on this tiny bike. We got a couple of chores to do today. We have to hit up Whole Foods because we're returning something to Amazon. Thank God for Amazon's return policies. My GoPro, believe it or not, my GoPro accessory failed. My GoPro adapter has been really spotty with whether or not I get to have audio or not in my vlogs. I made a vlog at the old Madden MX playground, and the first, I'd say 40 minutes just of audio did not work. I was talking about a lot of cool stuff. I was talking about my new tattoos. I was talking about this bike. I was trying to get you guys to guess what bike I was getting. I passed G-Bear, so I got myself a new microphone adapter, which we are not using right now. Hey, get a newer car. Hey, your car's old. Hey, your door's open. Your door's ajar. Passed a Mustang. Passed a Mustang on my Jackrabbit XG. Yeah, this thing has been pretty sick so far. There's not any other e-bike that's really like this. It's class 2, it can't go faster than 20, so it doesn't have to have pedals, which is a real interesting from a freestyle standpoint, because your wheelies still look cool, jumps are still cool. And check this out, a little shortcut. Right on in, no issues.
This is Sur on Country, and you're watching Dylan's channel.
Dope. Can we do some stairs with this, or will we die? These are some steep stairs. Nice. Stairs on a rabbit with no issues. Okay, that was it. That was easy. Nice little 50 bucks refunded immediately. Now we just got to go to the gym and get swole. And when I say get swole, I mean do 20 sit-ups and then take a shower. That was fun.
Last year, and
Okay, can we get up this hill? Oh my God, we can. 7, 8.8, 7, 7.3, 8, 7, 6, 10. Yo. I wanted this bike because it's a lot more practical for the types of bus life chores that I do. It doesn't take a lot of energy to charge. It's very lightweight, and I can push it around, like inside the library, inside the grocery store. I could lock it up outside, but I just don't think that's necessary. Kind of getting used to the rear brake on the right side. It is kind of convenient when you want to go one hand. You know, it's pretty easy to ride, but I don't know, we haven't tried wheelies on this yet. And I feel like there's just a lot going on with one hand. Whoa. Damn. Ow, I pulled my groin or something. Ouch. Dude, this seems... I don't know. I'm just used to pulling up hard on the Sur-Ron, and I want to do some sick stunts with this, but that's not really why I got it. Yep, it's a trickster. Nice, not that busy. Not that busy. I gotta show you guys what I look like on this bike, so you can judge for yourself if this is a bike you want to be seen riding around town on. But if you do want to be seen riding around town with one of these, make sure to use my link down below, because I get a little percentage. You get 5% off, and I get a little kickback. Homie gets a little kickback if you tell him Dylan sent you. Can you see it? Let me show you. 6'1". Okay, let's go get yoked.
What's up? It's Sir Ronster, and you're watching Dylan's channel. Dude, that's so ridiculous.
Okay, side quest completed. We're now swole and clean. And I lied, we have another side quest. We're actually gonna go to Central Market and get ourselves some din din. Okay, can we hit these jumps like we're on a Sur-Ron? I feel like no. I feel like I'm already not going fast enough. Yeah, not a chance.
sorry,
Don't say sorry. No need to say sorry. Dude, that was borderline sick. Oh boy.
They call me in Nashville. they threw away. I wash my hands.
Can I get 2 chicken quesadillas? No, that's it. Thank you so much.
Everybody be coloring for Christmas in Texas was a real blizzard, wasn't it? But on the backside of that, and it's New Year's Eve. This is actually the night you should go out and not join the amateur hour tomorrow night. Here's an original.
Yo, this is low-key sick. Actually, not even low-key. Dude, this thing would kill at the old LA testing zone, the track that we used to test our e-vehicles on, out in the old LA. Yo, dude, this is a shredder. This is a shredder, dude. This is a street legal shredder. Oh, I freaking love it. I'm gonna go back to the bus and literally chill. I'm gonna veg out. I'm gonna turn on some GTA 5. I'm gonna earn some money. And I'm just gonna save. I'm just gonna save money up in GTA 5. And wait till GTA 6 comes out. So sick. Dude, this thing honestly hauls ass. Yo, this thing is freaking sick, dude. Very nimble. Very nimble and obviously ultra light, 32 pounds. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to be the vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed the Jackrabbit XG. This is a game changer in micro PEV commuting. It's got 160 millimeter disc mechanical brakes, dual batteries, 20 plus miles of range, 20 mile an hour top speed, heavy duty upgraded pegs, front and rear light, and a little ding-a-ling bell. Did I mention it's 32 pounds? Perfect little RV van life companion. Huge shout out to all my patrons. Thank you guys for supporting the channel directly. Thank you for putting diesel into the white Rhino. And of course, contributing to the composting toilet. If you guys are in the market for the Jackrabbit OG or the XG, I prefer the XG. The XG is $17.49. Use my code, you get 5% off, and I get a little kickback as well, which supports the channel. So if you found this video because you're researching the Jackrabbit and you're going to pull the trigger on buying one, please use my link down below. Greatly appreciate it. Get after it, guys. Good enough isn't. Support your local loophole. Get after it. Keep an impressive wingspan even when the cubicle shrinks. Peace.
Dylan came to my house, snuck to my house, and stole something off my porch today. A little fun fact. You might see that in the video earlier. Dylan gave the old peace sign while he was stealing from my front porch.